Exercise 6.2, first problem. Find the equation of the lines passing through the point 1, 1 with y-intercept minus 4. Here it's clearly given y-intercept. It's nothing but c. And here it is given the line passing through the point 1, 1. So that is nothing but x1, y1. When a point and y-intercept is given, the equation for a straight line is y equal to mx plus c. We learnt already in 9th standard itself. Y equal to mx plus c. Here c is given in the problem itself, that is minus 4. And the points given is 1, 1, that is nothing but x1, y1. So look at the diagram here. The point is passing through 1, 1 and y-intercept is minus 4, isn't it? So we can have the point like this, 0, minus 4. So now we got 2 points here, x1, y1 is 1, 1 and x2, y2 is 0, minus 4. When 2 points are given, we can easily find out the slope there. That formula for slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So substitute all the values x1, y1 and x2, y2. We got minus 5 by minus 1. That is nothing but plus 5. So now we got the value of m is equal to 5. Therefore, the given for the given point and the slope and y-intercept, the equation is y equal to 5x minus 4. We got this equation by substituting m and c in the equation y equal to mx plus c here. Second division with slope 3. The given point is 1, 1. The line passing through the point 1, 1 and the slope is 3. So now we got the formula for this is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. When slope is given, we have to use this formula. When y-intercept is given, the first problem is there. Okay. So now substitute the values here. So y minus 1 equal to 3 into x minus 1. So y minus 1 equal to 3x minus 3. So we have to simplify everything and take this to the left hand side. Now we got 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Third division and minus 2, 3. Already it's passing through the point 1, 1 and minus 2, 3. Here it's given 2 points now. So take these points as x1, y1 and x2, y2. For this equation, the formula for this is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now substitute everything here. So we have y minus y1 by 3 minus 1 equal to x minus 1 divided by minus 2 minus 1. Simplify this to 3 minus 1 is 2 and minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 here. And then we can cross multiply here so that we have minus 3 into y minus 1 equal to 2 into x minus 1. Then take everything, remove the brackets and take everything to the left hand side. If you simplify everything, we got 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Fourth one, it passing through the point 1, 1 and the perpendicular from the origin makes an angle 60 degree with x-axis. Here it's given clearly makes the angle 60 degree with x-axis. So given theta equal to 60 degree. That perpendicular distance, it's nothing but from 1, 1 to the origin. Here it's given perpendicular from the origin. So from the point 1, 1 and 0, 0, the distance is 1 minus 0 the whole square plus 0 minus 1 the whole square. That is nothing but root of 1 plus 1, that is nothing but root 2. Now we got the perpendicular distance is root 2 and the angle is 60 degree. So the normal from the equation of the straight line of normal form, if theta and perpendicular distance is given, we have x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. So substitute everything here, x cos 60 degree plus y sin 60 degree equal to root 2. P is nothing but perpendicular distance. So we know the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2 and sin 60 is root 3 by 2. And denominator we have both common as 2. So we can write this as x plus root 3y divided by 2 equal to root 2. Cross multiply, x plus root 3y equal to 2 root 2.